Hey Secondary 1 Math Project, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 6. Now this question is a very long question with tons of parts. So let's get into it, let's get strapped in, let's build some momentum, and let's start doing this right now. Let's go. So the first question, alright, let's take a look at the question, is this. 3, 4, blah, 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 blah. Okay, basically what they said is simplify the following. Okay, simplify the following. So let's take a look at the first question over here. Okay, I'm going to make sure I move this thing. Okay, and let's start doing this question. So this question is pretty simple. Just open up the whole thing. Okay, oh, sorry. Let's open up the whole thing. And what you will see is you will get, what will you get? You will get 3 times 4 gives you 12. 3 times positive 2 gives you positive 6x squared. Okay, 3 times negative x gives you negative 3x. Negative 6 times 3x squared, negative 18x squared. Negative 6 times plus x gives you negative x. Negative 6 times 12, that times 2 gives you negative 12. Okay, everything under one roof. 2 times 2 gives you 4x. 2 times minus 3 gives you minus 6, plus 3x, plus 2 plus 6. Okay, so from here 12 minus 12 gone. Choose your x squared. Negative 18 plus 6 gives you negative 12x squared. Negative 3x, negative x, is that correct? Looks a bit weird, eh? Hold on, let me check something. 3 times negative x gives you negative 3x. Negative 6 times x gives you negative 6x. Sorry about that. Okay, and then you will have negative 6 times negative 3 plus negative 8. Let me see, negative 9x. Okay. So from here, divided by 4x minus 6 gone over 7x. Okay. So what can you do straight away? You can cancel the x. So you get negative 12x, negative 9 over 7. You make it simpler, you will get negative 3, 4x plus 3 over 7. Bam! Alright, that's it. Okay, if you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so basically that's it for the first one. For part B, let's move on to part B. Part B, it says 3pq. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, basically this is very, very simple. All you have to do is just understand that this divide can be converted into what? It can be converted into a multiply. All you have to do is inverse this and inverse this. So in other words, I'm going to have q over 9pr squared. Okay, so what do I do now? I can just start cancelling. So make sure you cancel properly. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. For the first one, q is gone. Okay, then look at p. Do we have p over here? No. Do we have 3? Can we cancel 3? No, we can't. Let's move on to the bottom term. R squared, cancel. Then you are left with r. Okay, 832. Can we cancel? Yes. That means you get 4. Okay, still have a p. Okay, can you cancel the p somehow? No. Can you cancel the q? No. Okay, that's q over here. Can we cancel the q anywhere? No, we can't. For this one, 9pr squared. Oh, sorry, it should be here. Okay, so the p, cancel the q's here, cancel the q here, cancel the p here, cancel the p here, cancel the r here, cancel the r here. 9 cancel, you get 3, you get cancelled. What are you left with? Let's see what you are left with. You are left with 4p, okay, over 3r. That's it. That's your answer. If you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Now for part C, now this is a little complicated. Actually, no, like, it's pretty simple. Basically, 3 over 8. 3x minus 2 minus half, 2x plus 5 minus 1. Okay, how do we do this question? It's very, very simple. Remember, common denominator. Alright, so 8, 2, and 1. Common denominator is lowest common multiple is what? It's actually 8. So you can do this. Okay, how do we do this into an 8? We just minus 4. 4 times. How about this? Times 8. Whole thing over 8. So from here, just open it up. 3 times 3 gives you 9x minus 6 minus 8x, okay, minus 20. What else do we have? Minus 8 over 8. Oh no, cannot see. Over 8. Okay, so what are you left with? 9x minus 8x gives you x, minus 6 minus 20 minus 8. 26, 34. And that's it. That's the answer. Okay, let's check. 3 times 3x gives you 9x. 3 times minus 2 gives you 6 minus 6. Minus 4 minus 8x minus 20 minus 8. Correct. Common denominator times 4 times 8. Correct. 9x minus 8x gives you x minus 6 minus 8. Correct. So this is the answer. If you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay. And that brings us to the final part of the question. Let me just erase all this stuff. Okay, erase. Okay, the final part of the question is just factorize. So factorization should be pretty simple for you guys. I don't want to worry about that. So let's just delete this. Oops, sorry. What's going on? Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that this part over here is actually colored out so that we can just see the factorization. Bam. Oops, not red. I want to use white. Bam. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now for this question, also pretty simple. Factorize 21CG. Okay, D. So what must you do? First off, the number. Take out the number. What number is this? 9, right? No, 7. 7 times 5 is 4. No. Okay, let's take out 21CDG minus 45CGH. Okay, divided by 3. Let's see, 3, you get 7. Okay, sorry. So take out a 3 for here. You take out the C and there is G. So CG. So 7D minus 15H. And basically that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's check. 3 times 7 gives you 21. CG times D gives you CDG. Minus 15 times 3 gives you 45. And H. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple. Okay, for part E. 12p squared minus 6qr plus 4pr minus 18pq. Okay, how? Okay, this one basically you just have to group them together. So let's take a look. You have P, you have P. You have Q, you have Q. So let's put it together this way. 12p squared, let's rearrange them. Plus 4pr minus 6qr minus 18pq. Okay, so what do you do now? So basically you have to factorize groups like that. Okay, so first off, let's do this. You take out 4, you get p as well, and that's it. So 3p plus what? R. In this case, you have minus, okay, 6 of 18. So you have 6 Q 3 no, sorry, not 3 R plus 3P. So R plus 3P, 3 plus R, same thing. So you get 3P plus R, 4P minus 6Q. Okay, are we done yet? No, we are not. Why not? Because this thing over here can still be further factorized. So you get 3P plus R, 2 times, okay, 2p minus 3q. You should know this because I just simply take out the 2 here and I put it over here. So 2 times 2p gives you 4p, 2 times negative 3q gives you negative 6q. So that's it. If you got that one right, high five, because you're a math prodigy. Good job. And finally, the last one, how do we factorize this? This looks superbly difficult. First step is actually to expand it, okay? So expand it first, you get 6x times 2y gives you 12. So part F, 12 xy minus 6x squared minus 8xy minus 4y squared plus 6x squared. Now what do? We simply take the x squared and the y squared and whatever, and we just finish it off. So let's take a look. The first one we have is x squared. So minus 6x squared plus 6x squared, both are gone. minus 8xy. Okay, so 12xy minus 8xy gives you 4xy. 4xy minus 4y squared equals to, take out the 4, take out the y, you get x minus y. Let's check. 4xy minus 4y squared. Yep, that's all. So basically, that is it. Yeah, if you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. And that is it for this question number 3. Pretty lengthy, but which brings me to our our quote of the week. Our quote of the week was momentum. Build momentum. I know sometimes it's difficult to sit down and do your work, especially during the holidays. Yeah, I know how it feels like. And the best thing to do is just to take some time, take a moment, yeah, sit down, calm yourself down, and just say, you have to do this. Why? Because you have to understand one thing: winners and losers are not very different. The only different thing they do is that winners do what losers are not willing to do or don't want to do. But the difference is that winners actually sit down there and just force themselves to do it. And after they force themselves to do it, guess what happens? They actually start liking it. And when they start liking it, they start doing it more and then more and more and more, and actually they take action. And when they take action, you get more results. It's a simple formula. But when you have momentum, yeah, you're going to have more results with less effort. So build momentum. Start sitting down every single day. Spend 1 hour or 2 hours just revising your subtopics that you're weak in. And after a while, you'll begin to see some results. All right? So with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.